This was quite the drama overnight, and this morning there was a new top law enforcement officer at the Justice Department after President Trump's swift action to remove the interim head. It's a move that legal experts say the president had the right to make, but one that his critics for maximum effect are trying to draw comparisons to the Saturday night massacre, where President Nixon used his power to punish political opponents.
We had a Monday night massacre.
That massacre referring to President Trump's firing overnight of Acting Attorney General Sally Yates, an Obama holdover. The dismissal coming just hours after Yates ordered Justice Department lawyers not to defend Trump's controversial travel ban. The White House saying Yates betrayed the department, naming a new Acting Attorney General, Dana Benty, until Senator Jeff Sessions can be confirmed. Meanwhile, on the steps of the Supreme Court, Democrats vowed to stand their ground.
We must overcome this little man in the White House who is disgracing our history and disgracing our traditions.
And this morning, they've got big backup. Former President Obama, just days removed from office, weighing in, rejecting Trump's ban and the notion of discriminating against individuals because of their faith or religion. Overnight, more rallies in the streets, including in Columbus, Ohio, where police used pepper spray to disperse this crowd. Through an aide, Mr. Obama praised protesters, saying he's heartened by their engagement. At the State Department, dozens of foreign officers are circulating a memo slamming the immigration action. "We are better than this," it reads. The White House responding with this fierce warning.
These career bureaucrats have a problem with it. I think that they should either get with the program or they can go.
The partisan feud becoming increasingly bitter. Chuck Schumer's emotions
Was mean-spirited and un-American.
Openly mocked by the president.
I noticed Chuck Schumer yesterday with fake tears. I'm going to ask him who is his acting coach.
The next flashpoint, the Supreme Court. President Trump set to announce his pick to replace Justice Antonin Scalia tonight in a primetime address. The president's decision narrowed down to two appeals court judges, both white men, both appointed by President George W. Bush. Neil Gorsuch, a Harvard Law grad from Colorado, and Thomas Hardiman, a former trial judge from Pennsylvania, where President Trump's sister also sits on the bench. As for the new acting attorney general's first action in office, again telling the Justice Department lawyers to defend President Trump's executive order. And new this morning, an unusual move, the White House responding to concerns about what more actions the president might take, vowing not to touch an Obama executive order that protects LGBT employees from discrimination in the workplace when working for federal contractors. Matt and Hoda.
All right, Peter Alexander. Peter, thank you.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.